Hello, my name is Dr. Bonnie Jacobi. I'm the director of the Colorado Kodály Institute and the head of the Department of Music Education here at Colorado State University. Sultan Kodály was one of our most foundational music educators really in the world, and he believed that some of the most important things for children learning music were the enjoyment factor, that children really have to enjoy what they're doing and be having fun in order to become engaged enough to learn musical concepts. At CSU, we have a 2-week summer residency program within our Masters of Kodály emphasis, but during the school year, they take online coursework, which allows them to stay in their full-time teaching positions. They're able to apply the things that they learn in the summer and bring them back to their students.
Colorado State's program is just a great fit for a teacher because you can really work around your schedule and your demands from your school while pursuing your degree. I was able to do all of my coursework during the summers and then online during the school year, and I felt like it was a very manageable course load but still challenging and engaging.
In our 2-week summer residency program, we actually bring in children from the local schools, really exciting and important part of the experience for our master's students because it enables them to work with the same exact age group of child that they're studying in the summer, as opposed to practicing on their peers. And they get to see whether the children are engaged during their lesson, whether they're attentive, whether they're having fun, whether they like the songs and games that are being presented, and most importantly, whether they're beginning to learn the concepts that are being taught. Our online students really do benefit from the faculty's research and professional activities because it gives them access to the information and topics that we're studying. It enables them to become more informed in terms of their own content knowledge and inspired, but most importantly perhaps it enables them to bring back this information and apply it to the students that they're working with. If you would like to learn more about our program, feel free to contact us and we'd be glad to answer any questions you might have.